WebSocket protocol was designed for, of course, bidirectional and persistent connection, etc., etc., and for a low latency. Sending binary data in previous versions of WebSocket meant usually base 64 encoding, because all you could have sent was textual data. So when you have binary stream, you probably base 64 encoded it, send it to the other side, and the other side decoded the data. But of course, again, there must have been application logic. What kind of data are you sending? Are you sending textual data? Are you sending binary data? HyBi specification solve this problem by introducing not only textual data but also binary data. At this point, no browser is able to either send or receive binary data. I know Chromium guys, or to be more specific, web guys are working on it. I don't know about Firefox. This last example will be very short. I just load some picture. I'm sending the picture in I've sent it to all of those connections. One connection terminated because it cannot handle. So let's close all. Let's show it again. I'm using a framing to send it as in 3 frames to show you the same concept here. I've opened this image, I've received this image, I've sent 3 frames. Again, first not a final, not a final, the third as a final, the first specifying the type, which is a binary. What I've received was another final binary frame, so I started caching the next continuation frame until I received a final frame. At that point, this 404 is not an HTTP code, it's an actual size of a result. At the end, I've get this data created, all those data that I was caching. I've created an image, and I'm showing. Not to send an icon, I have here some screenshot. I was doing some web pages. I was showing it in browsers, in the different browsers. It's a large image. It has 208 kilobytes. I'm shrinking it down here. So I'm sending those 3 frames. I've received those 3 frames, and again, using caching, I was able to, no, not caching, I created a stream and I just appended the incoming data into the stream, and when I received the final, I've just showed the data. So this is the concept of framing and sending a binary data. I can't show it in browsers because they don't support it. I hope this demonstration showed you the ability of a new HyBi specification, and especially the abilities of a Bauglir WebSocket version using these HyBi specifications. So you can download the source code of the library itself, of the demo, and start using it and providing me, for example, with some feedback, which will be much appreciated. Thank you, and Goodbye.